It's 2026 and 3D printing has finally reached its paper printer moment. Before, you had to spend hours leveling beds and tuning settings. Those days are gone. Today, 3D printing from a machine like the ones from Bambu Lab is as simple as hitting print from your phone. It just works. But the real question, what are we actually printing? For me, it started with my tech hobbies. I love to play with smart home stuff, like ESP32s and custom smart screens. And let's be honest, you can't just go to a store and buy a case that fits your specific project. With a printer, I can create professional looking housings and mounts that make my desk look clean instead of a mess. But the real game changer for me and my workspace has been organization. I've fully embraced systems like Gridfinity and the IKEA Skådis ecosystem. Instead of buying generic hooks, I print custom holders for every specific tool on my pegboard. And for my drawers and cabinets, Gridfinity allows me to print a perfectly modular grid that keeps every screw and component in its place. It's organization you literally can't buy in a store. You need a custom dryer for flasks or a holder for your build plates, just print it out as well. Then there's the heavy duty stuff. I needed a custom mount for my Tesla charger plug, so I printed one in PETG. This material is great for things needing to be more durable. It handles the UV rays and the weather without warping. Being able to manufacture part like this for your car or garden from your office is a superpower you're gonna love. A 3D printer is also the ultimate tool for making other tools, especially the ones you need for 3D printing. I actually printed this photography lightbox specially for this channel. It allows me to keep those crisp, detailed shots of my prints. It's a tool that pays for itself by helping me create better content for you guys. And yeah, I still print the occasional fun item. Games, spinners, fidget toys, and all the things my kids love. It's nice to make people happy, and I'm able to share this hobby with them. Toys, keychains, and other stuff like that is also great small gifts. In 2026, 3D printing isn't a hobby you have to fight with. It's a tool that solves problems. Whether it's for fun, for tech, your car, or your home, it's about making exactly what you need. Thanks for watching Filament and Layers. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next layer. Bye!